Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today episode we got this cool in front here, and basically what these are some honey, citron, and ginger tea. If you can see, this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it, and they tell you guys what is actually included on the actual product. So the way how you guys use this product is actually very simple. All you guys need to do is scoop a little bit out onto your bowl, your cup, or somewhere else, and you guys have the option to either drink it cold or warm, or even hot as well. For me, I usually drink this in the morning with some hot water, so that way it can help me with my throat and everything to prevent any kind of like soreness and etc. If you guys can see on the side right here, they do provide guys instruction to teach you guys how to use it and the ingredients that they have on here. And I literally been using the product almost every single day, and it's been really helpful to actually help me with my throat, especially because I talk so much for all my videos. It's actually really helpful to get one of these. And they have like all the basic ingredients on here, like the honey, the lemon, the ginger, and also like the orange or something inside, which is all the important ingredients that is need or want when you guys want to like prevent any kind of cold or soreness, etc. But this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it. You guys can find this at your local store probably, or even at like Amazon website. I love the way how they designed the jar because it actually has a little handle part here for you guys to grip it if you guys want to. But once you guys open it up, this is what the inside looks like. So literally all you can do is just scoop a little bit out and just put it into a cup, and I'll show you guys right now. I usually scoop enough for like 1 spoon. It's around like this much. So that should be a good amount. And then all you guys want to do afterward is add some hot water inside and just enjoy it. And then all you need to do is kind of like mix it a little bit. And it's all set to start enjoying it. So I have it right here. Let's test it out to see what it tastes like. So the flavor that I get on here, you guys can definitely taste like the honey flavor. You guys can also taste like the citron flavor from the orange, etc. But you guys can also taste a little bit of that spice on here because of the ginger. In the beginning, when you guys do try this, you might not like the flavor, but over time when you guys drink more and more of it, you guys will get used to the flavor. And it's actually really helpful and actually tastes pretty good over time. So like I mentioned, I've been drinking this almost every single day, so I'm pretty much used to it already. I don't think there has been a day where I actually haven't drank one of these in the morning. And literally once I start drinking this, I haven't caught a cold or anything. Even though my throat gets sore over time, all I need to do is just drink a little bit of this and actually kind of use it up a little bit over time, which is really convenient. I'm not sure because the ingredients that they use on here is actually really helpful for like sore throat or something, but definitely does help over time. But that is everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for something like this where it can help you guys prevent like cold, sore throat, and etc. Then definitely getting one of these is actually really helpful and it's actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.